Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. So for today's video, I am going to start incorporating your guys' requests into my tutorials. I asked you guys in one of my last videos to comment down below any requests you guys had for designs because I was going through like this creative block and I needed your guys' help to get me through that. That being said, I want to give a huge shout out to K-Dub for requesting this set. I gave it my own twists and this is what I created. Without further ado, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let's get right into it. For today's video, I am using the Red Iguana silicone practice hand. She is posable, so I'm pretty excited to be using her today. I'm using the Not Polished Universal Tips, and I'm going to be applying that with my Young Nails brush on glue. I went ahead and I cut off the tip to the length that I wanted. Now I'm using my peel and stick file from Tammy Taylor. And all I'm doing is making sure that the tip and the natural nail bed are flush on both of the sides. Now using my Profiles medium sanding band, I am going ahead and just filing where the tip meets the natural nail bed. I'm making sure that it is nice and flush. This will ensure a smooth application process. Now for this look, I did use a lot of acrylic powders, so instead of showing them in the video, I'm just going to link them down below if you're interested in any specific color. They are linked down below in the description box. So here I'm taking the Not Polished Black Acrylic, and I'm just randomly placing that onto the nail. So for this look, I am going to be blending black acrylic, purple, blue, white, and a ton of mylar based acrylics to create this look. So basically what you want to do is grab each of the colors and apply a very small amount onto the nail and just blend it out and then layer it with all the other ones. There's no specific way of doing this. I just randomly placed them on the nail, blended them out, added a bunch of mylar, and hope for the best. And I am really excited of how this look turned out. So as you can see for this finger, I'm taking a very small amount of black, blending it out, and then taking some blue, blending that out, and then adding two different mylar acrylics on there. The mylar acrylics are from the Candy Crush collection from Profiles Backstage. They are absolutely beautiful. The colors are really pretty, and I am obsessed with mylar, so that's like the perfect combination for me. So as you can see, I'm adding the lighter colors onto that middle section. So for the rest of the nails, I did want to focus a lot on the lighter colors and then just deepen the look, like add more depth to the look with the black. I didn't want it to be super dark. I wanted the shimmer and the colors to show as well. As you can see, I'm just adding more black and blending it out as I go, just to create more depth in certain areas. Now I did want to mention that the white, purple, blue acrylics from Not Polish are from their Glow collection. I really wanted to try them out, and I tried taking a picture and a video of it, but my camera just was not picking up the detail. So I am kind of bummed of that. I didn't get to show you guys, but they are really stunning, super vibrant. So if you guys are interested in their Glow collection, I do highly recommend them. Make sure you check them out and use my discount code. And I am using the Sculpt It Like It's Hot in the number 6 from Profiles Backstage for my acrylic brush, along with their acrylic monomer for this set. I'm just going to go ahead and repeat that on the rest of the nails. Now I am going in certain areas where I just think it needs a little bit more of the brighter color, and just adding that in there right before I encapsulate. And of course, using my Not Polished clear acrylic, I am going ahead and encapsulating those nails. You want to make sure you do this step so when you go into file, you do not ruin any of the beautiful design you just created. This also helps to add the extra length that we need for this length of nail. We should be very well aware by now that with longer nails, you want to create a little bit more thickness so they do not break as easy. Once it is nice and dry, we are taking the fine carbide bit, and I have my e-file at about 8,000 RPMs, and all I'm doing is lightly, gently filing the surface of the nail. I am not applying too much pressure because I am not removing bulk product, and being that this bit is fine, it would take a really long time to really remove additional acrylic, so I do like to use this for finish filing as it is the perfect grit. Now taking my Tammy Taylor peel and stick file, I am going ahead and perfecting that shape. You want to make sure that you are filing the sides and the tip of the nail. I somehow lost that footage, so I do apologize for that, but it is included in any of my other videos if you guys are really wanting to know how I do that. Now using my sponge buffer from Profiles Backstage, I am using that to smooth out the surface of the nail. Very lightly buffing it to smooth perfection in preparation for our top coat. Now I'm taking my lint-free wipe and some swipe and just cleansing the surface of the nail and my practice hand, making sure it is nice and dust-free for our next step. Now taking Gloss It from Not Polish, we're going to top coat those nails. Please make sure you cure this for a full 60 seconds. I like to be extra and leave it in there for 2 minutes just to ensure everything is nice and sealed. That basically concludes this video. Do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think down below, and I'll catch you guys next time.